In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update DNS in GoDaddy. If you're moving a website to a new server, connecting a service, or verifying ownership, you'll often need to adjust DNS. Don't worry, this process is straightforward once you know where to click and what each field means. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is the dashboard where all your domains are listed. Find the domain you want to work on. Taking a moment to confirm you're editing the correct domain is important because DNS changes affect where traffic is sent. Next, access the DNS settings. Click on the domain to open its details, then select the DNS button. Depending on your view, you might instead go to the domain settings page and choose the DNS tab there. This takes you to the DNS zone, which is simply the list of records that tell the internet where your domain services live. If you need to edit an existing record, such as the A record for your root domain, scroll through the list and locate it. The A record with the name or host set to the @ symbol represents the root of your domain. Click the pencil icon to edit. In the value field, enter the new destination, usually an IPv4 address for an A record. Double check for typos. An IP address should be 4 numbers separated by dots, and you should not include HTTP or HTTPS. When it looks correct, click Save. If there are duplicates or conflicting records, keep only the one you intend to use to avoid confusion. To add something new, maybe a CNAME for www or a TXT record for verification, click Add New Record. Choose the type such as A, SNAME, or TXT. Enter the details requested, the name or host, for example, www for a subdomain, and the value, which might be an IP address, another host name, or a text string provided by a service. Keep the rest of the fields at their defaults unless you've been given specific instructions. When you're done, click Save. After saving any edits or additions, remember that DNS changes aren't instant everywhere. Many updates appear within minutes, but full propagation across networks can take longer. During this time, some users may see the old destination while others see the new one. This is normal. That's it. You've logged into your domain portfolio, opened DNS for your domain, edited an existing record when needed, or added a new one, and saved your changes with confidence. Keep notes of what you changed and why, and you'll find DNS management far less intimidating next time.